Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're learning English or just want to brush up on your daily conversation skills, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through some of the most common sentences you can use in everyday life. These sentences will help you sound more natural and confident when speaking English. So, let's get started. Greetings and small talk. These are sentences you can use in any casual setting.
Good morning, Your Highness.
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing? I'm good. How are you? Good. How you doing?
Sub. Ooh, what's up?
Where have you been?
Where have I been? Where have you been?
Have you been? Well,
How are you today?
These are super simple but effective ways to start a conversation. Asking for help or information. Next, let's talk about how to ask for help or information. These sentences are great whether you're at a store, restaurant, or just need help with something. Excuse me, can you help me with this?
Excuse me, can I help you?
Do you know where the nearest bank is? Can I ask you a quick question?
Does this tutu make my butt look big?
Could you repeat that, please?
I'm sorry, I just started hearing really loud circus music in my head.
Notice how polite and friendly these sound. Always remember to say please and thank you. Ordering food and drinks. Whether you're at a cafe or restaurant, these sentences will make ordering a breeze. I'd like a coffee, please. Can I get the special salad? Could I have the check, please? Is there a vegan option on the menu? Simple, right? Just be clear and polite, and you're good to go. Making plans with friends. Making plans is an important part of daily life, and here are some useful sentences you can use when you're arranging to meet up with friends. Do you want to hang out later?
275 thou. Might want to hang on to that one. 275 thou. Might want to hang on to that one.
Are you free this weekend? Let's grab a coffee sometime. What time works best for you? These are great for casual plans, and they make you sound super approachable. Expressing opinions and feelings. Sharing your opinion or talking about how you feel is essential in conversation. Here are some phrases that can help. I think this movie is amazing. In my opinion, we should try a different approach. I'm really excited about this event. I'm feeling a bit tired today. These simple sentences help you express yourself more naturally and let others know what's on your mind. Daily routine sentences. Let's move on to some sentences you can use for talking about your daily routine. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. I'm heading to work now. I have a meeting at 2 p.m. I'm going to the gym after work. These are great for sharing your schedule or just making conversation about your day. Polite requests and offers. If you need to ask for something or offer help, here's how you can do it politely. Could you please pass me the salt? Would you like some help with that? Do you mind if I open the window? Let me know if you need anything. These polite sentences show respect and make your request sound much softer. Okay dear guys, let me know in the comments which sentence you're going to try first, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on learning English, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.